much does it cost to own a Ducati Panigale V2 that's only 1 year old. I have the receipt here for my first Desmo service. It's so expensive. It's a lot of money I just spent on this bike to get this thing back. But it was, you know, it had to get done, right? I put 15,000 miles on the bike in a year. So the Desmo service is every 15,000. Most people aren't going to put that amount of miles on their brand new motorcycle in 1 year. A lot of people buy this bike for the track and they just go out on Sunday rides. It's understandable, but I rode this thing every single day. And one thing that I noticed not having it since November is this is vital for my mental health. And so I rode the bike a lot. I mean, I put a lot of miles on it. So you guys don't really necessarily have to worry about this in 1 year like me. But if you do have this bike and you're wondering how much your Desmo service is going to cost, it is going to cost you $2,383.18. So I'm going to kind of go through what they did, and I got some extra stuff done too as well. So brought mine to about $3,000 because I got the new Super Corsa tires on there. But yeah, they did a lot of work to this motorcycle, and you know, it's not so much like the parts are crazy expensive, but the labor hours is what really drives the price up, at least from my understanding. And Ducati of Austin did a phenomenal job with it, and they also kept the bike for a month. And while I was, you know, it was bad weather, and they just held on to the bike for me there at the shop, and I appreciate that. So shout out to Ducati of Austin for taking care of lipstick. But I was going out of my mind not having this bike. Like seriously, I can't really be without it. So we'll go over here what they did and kind of get you guys prepared for if you need your Desmo service on your Panigale V2. First things first, this is one of the best looking motorcycles on planet Earth. I mean, it really is. It is so beautiful. Like just looking at this thing, sometimes I just can't even believe that I own this piece of beautiful machinery. So what is a Desmo service? A Desmo service is a valve adjustment and basically a full service on the motorcycle. So they do an oil change, they do the flush and the coolant, they check the brakes, they'll check all the electronics, they'll update the computer, and they do the valve adjustment if they need adjustment. So they check all the valves and all that stuff. And so to get to the valves, they basically have to take the entire motorcycle apart. So all the plastics come off, subframe comes off, gas tank comes off, all this stuff comes off. The top valve cover comes off, and then they can get to the valves and they do whatever they do there. With shims and adjust and measure and lots of work, tedious work that if you're not trained, you're not necessarily going to know what you're doing. There's videos on YouTube, but not for this specific motor. So you really do got to understand and know what you're doing. Obviously, Ducati master mechanic, that the guy that worked on the bike is trained to do this, and I'm sure he's been through some rigorous training how to adjust these valves, because it is not easy to do. So shout out to him, and because he did a great job on the bike for sure. And I really appreciate that, because this thing means the world to me. And I need it to run, you know, run well. Everyone needs their bike to run well, especially after getting something like this done, where they open up the whole motor and whatnot. So generally what you're paying for is all that, right? So that's where that $2,383, it's about $300 to $400 in parts, and then the rest is pretty much labor hours, right? I mean, you got to think, like, I can tell you from personal experience, taking this bike apart is not easy. Like putting the windscreen on is a lot easier than the older 1199s, but this bike it's not super easy to do all this. Like, there's so many little stupid little tricks, and you know, I even broke the one bolt in here because I stripped the thing, so I got to get a whole new piece. I have to get this new piece. So there's some things I still got to do, but in any case, essentially you're paying for the whole bike to get apart, the valve adjustment, oil change, coolant flush. I think it's a pretty reasonable pricing, honestly. I mean, you're not taking this bike apart and doing it in an hour. You know what I'm saying, guys? Like, it's a lot of work to take it apart. And I'm not trying to, like, over or underplay, or I'm not trying to, like, say that you can't do it. I'm sure I could do it if I really wanted to, but I don't want to. That's the thing. I pay other people to do that stuff. That's what happens when you start making more money. You pay people to do things so your time can be spent elsewhere. Editing videos, making other creative content, which I did not do at all. Because, I don't know. I was super depressed, man, without my bike. I need my bike. I love this thing. Alright, so anyways, what else extra did I get done? So one thing is I got these Diablo Super Courses, the new ones. These are the new Super Courses. They are awesome, and they are about $600. So 2 brand new tires, and they're badass. Like, these are race tires. These are not for commuting. These are not for, you know, I'm gonna rip around the city and commute to work. These are like street legal race tires, basically, is what those are. They're outside of these lions in here. I mean, these are slicks. They get really hot, really sticky, and so they're pretty sick. And these are the best tires you can get for the street, in my opinion. And like most people will tell you that. So the tires are new, and then outside of that, the only really other thing I had them do, like, they had to replace. They did the valve cover gasket anyway, because the gasket was coming, because they had to take the valve cover off. But the gasket was leaking, so they replaced that. That comes with it. That comes with the Desmo. So that wasn't no extra. I thought it was going to be, but it's actually not, because they had to do that anyway. The chain is new again, so I got another brand new chain on here. And now this one is adjusted properly. So this is straight from Ducati. That's a properly adjusted chain. This is normal. Supposed to do that. They weighted the tires too, nice and weighted, so everything's even, and like, or the rim, I mean, mounted and balanced. Anyway, the chain is really tough to adjust on this bike. I found a lot of trouble with it, but now that I know that and like certain things, this is now a steel sprocket instead of the aluminum, so I changed that. And I also put a chrome ollie one in the front, and it's easy access now. I got rid of the stupid cover. Now, the downfall to that is if you wear shoes and sneakers, which you should never do on a bike, like on any bike. Like, I wear these motorcycle boots always. So you'll have to worry about stuff getting caught in there, right? If you're riding with like loose clothing, which you should not do. But people do it, and that's why that cover's there. Also, it gets really dirty in there. So I'm probably going to put that back in, but I broke it, so I got to get a new one. You can see it's broke. I broke it. It's a pain in the ass, that thing. So, yeah, so new chain. They did the chain, adjusted the chain. This thing is a freaking wheelie monster now. I'll show some video of the bike coming up on me. I mean, I purposely did a wheelie, but I didn't think it was gonna be pop up that hard, like high. It like really was pretty intense, so it was cool. So yeah, the chain. And then one day I think I said I was checking bolts and stuff, and I found the header bolt loose back here, the rear header bolt. So I had them go and check the front header bolt, because the front header bolt is really hard to get to. You have to take the fan apart, everything, the oil, radiator, cooler, all that shit's got to come out so you can get to that stupid bolt. So I had them do that because I was really concerned that header bolt was loose. And so they checked it for me. And they did a series of other checks on all the bolts. Obviously, they torqued down all the bolts. They checked the triple clamp, make sure that's all good, make sure nothing's bent, broken, or cracked. And yeah, so they check and make sure the bike is sound. And this thing is amazing. This is an amazing machine. There's no issues with it. Some of the valves were out of adjustment. Understandable for the amount that I ride and the way that I ride. The next service is again at 15,000 miles. I don't intend to hit that in a year now that I have a car that I ride a lot. I drive my car all the time now. So this is more going to be like track days, guys, videos, you know, nice day riding and create content. It's no longer my daily commuter. It's the purpose of this motorcycle when I got it last year was for that. And I ended up having to use it to get myself to work. And so now we're back to the original reason why we have this bike. So, but hey, we made lots of videos and we made lots of cool friends and people that we met along the way of bike life. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. It's gonna be about, I would say, if you're wondering how much, if you want to put into your Desmo service, how much you're gonna need, I'd stash away about $3,000. $3,000, get yourself some new tires and whatnot too, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, really. If you guys are interested in any of the gear I'm wearing in this video, go ahead and shop at Raven Moto. Use my discount code Hardcity, all caps. That'll get you 10% off. Raven Moto has awesome armored riding gear. These are the trauma gloves. I have the Ruroc armored hoodie on, which has armor in the back, the shoulders, and the forearm, and it just looks like a regular hoodie. And then I have the ash armored jeans, ash colored armored jeans on, which are also Kevlar linered, and they have armor in the hips and down here on your knees. So really good full set of riding gear that looks just basically like a hoodie and jeans. So check out Raven Moto, guys. Really appreciate that because that helps out the channel. And